Hi everyone, so what I have here with me looks like a clear transparent liquid, but let me show you something very amazing about this. As you can see, upon shaking this liquid, it has turned bright blue. Now, why something happens to this, let me explain what has happened actually. This is a very amazing experiment called methylene blue experiment. Here, I have used glucose, sodium and a dye called methylene blue. So, upon shaking it, the solution turns blue as you can see right now. But the glucose in the solution will take away all the oxygen little by little, and slowly after a certain amount of time, this will turn whitish transparent again. Let's give it some time. So you have to keep on waiting till this turns white. Let's wait and watch. As you can see, I can already see it has started to turn lighter. Let's give it some more time. And we can see the transparent color already formed. And just like that, it has turned to transparent apart from the top part. Now, why is the top part a bit blue? This is because there is oxygen above the container at the parts above. So whenever you shake the container, oxygen goes inside the liquid and it turns blue again, just like this. Turns blue. Now the same process repeats again. If I let this just sit for a while, the glucose in the solution will remove the methylene blue and it will turn transparent, and upon shaking it turns white again. Let's see this for one last time, and upon shaking it will turn blue again. So let's just see this for one last time. It is starting to turn transparent again. As you can see, I see light blue color forming, and within a few seconds we shall get transparent again. Almost there. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.